Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You might notice that I sound a little bit sick. I have been feeling a little under the weather, but hopefully I'm on the mend. I wanted to, and I'm also speaking a little quietly because my son is taking a nap, but I wanted to hop on here and share some new Mrs. Meyer's products with you that just came in the mail a few days ago. I've been wanting to do a cleaning video, but life has been crazy. I've been sick, Landon has been sick, been taking care of him, and then I got it. And this morning we went and found out what baby number 2 is gonna be. And I'm keeping it a secret for now. I haven't figured out what I want to do yet. But, so, I'm gonna show you what happens to a completely, perfectly organized, clean room whenever everybody in the house has been sick for several days. Let me show you. It's a hot mess, so it's time to get some stuff cleaned up a little bit while I'm feeling better. So stay tuned if you want to see how I tidy this place up really quickly and give it a little bit of a Christmas feel. I don't have everything that I want to do in here yet for Christmas, but I've got some ideas, and I'm gonna do one big thing hopefully on this video with you guys, so you can see what I'm cleaning with and see how I'm getting stuff ready for Christmas.
So the first thing I like to do is make the bed. So there's a lot of stuff on the bed, including some laundry. So I'm going to fold laundry first and then get the bed made. And I'm really looking forward to getting some Christmas themed bedding this year. Not necessarily with Christmas trees or anything like that on it, but maybe a red plaid or something like that. I kind of want to make our room a little more festive this year. I usually just focus on the downstairs, so I'm excited to do that. You might notice that I didn't put away the laundry. A lot of it was Nate's, and he has specific drawers that he likes to put his clothes in, and then some of it was Landon's, so I need to move that over to Landon's room. So I'm just sitting here in the chair until I'm done. I find myself running back and forth from room to room, up and down the stairs. I've been trying to stop doing that to myself. I make little piles of things that need to go downstairs, things that need to go to another room, and I stay in the room I'm cleaning until I'm done in there. Otherwise, I get very sidetracked and just start cleaning in other rooms and nothing gets done. So Grove Collaborative currently has a promotion going on right now where you can get a set of their Christmas scented Mrs. Meyer's products for free if you're a new customer. So make sure to check out the promotional link down below and see if you can snag that, because you will love it, I promise. The peppermint scent is the best. I love making my entire home smell like Christmas. There's 2 other scents, orange clove and Iowa pine. And I'll be honest, I haven't smelled orange clove. Iowa pine is pretty good, but peppermint is the best. There's also something for new customers. If you click that link as well, I believe you get the free scrubber sponges. So even if you're a new customer, make sure you click through and grab that for yourself. And how cute is the red caddy to keep all of the products in? I think it is so cute, and then it helps me to carry stuff around the house. Of course, I don't normally carry around the dish soap and everything, but for the purpose of showing you all what comes with this set, I wanted to make sure you got to see it all. So after I make the bed, I like to move on to decluttering surfaces and just going ahead and cleaning those off. And of course, I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Peppermint Multi-Purpose Spray for that on all of the surfaces in the room. And it just gives such a fresh, Christmassy scent, so I love that. And I don't know about you guys, but after I've been sick, my nightstand is always full of stuff. Tissues, cups, water bottles, medicine, snacks, everything. So there was a lot going on my nightstand. Some of you may know that I'm a Synergence distributor, so I got a bunch of new makeup in to try. And so I was kind of keeping all of that separate on my vanity table, and it kind of just turned into a mess. So I'm just kind of organizing everything. My makeup organization needs to be overhauled a little bit. So that's probably coming soon. The bathroom counter got just about as cluttered as my nightstand, so I'm just going to put everything back in its drawers and give everything a nice wipe down. I'm not doing any deep cleaning here, obviously. I'm just kind of tidying up. I feel like those are all of the videos that I've done are my tidying up videos. So I definitely need to try to incorporate some deep cleaning videos in here somewhere. I promise I do deep clean, but I guess whenever I'm doing that, I don't feel like it moves as fast and that people would want to watch it. So if you're interested in that, let me know. So my camera battery died for a little bit. I will say that I vacuumed while it was dead and it was charging. And then now we're moving on to the really fun part, and you'll see what that is. But I am so excited for Christmas. Obviously, I know it's a little bit early, but you know what? It takes a long time to put up all those decorations, so I'm gonna enjoy my Christmas decorations while I can. Once again, make sure to check out that Grove Collaborative promotion via the link down below in the description box. You do not want to miss out on those products. They are the best. I look forward to that peppermint scent every year, and the fall scents are great, but Christmas is where it's at, you guys. So make sure to grab that. If you are a new customer, you'll get that whole set for free. So that's amazing.
Thank you guys so much for watching as I cleaned up our room and put up our Christmas tree. I'm so excited to make this whole room super holiday festive, and I will be showing you all the finished product whenever it's done, so stay tuned for that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will be back for more soon. Thanks so much for watching.